let us see one more example related to Armstrong numbers. The problem statement here is to print Armstrong numbers from 1 to n. So we need to print the Armstrong numbers from 1 to n. As we already know the logic behind Armstrong numbers, we are going to apply it, but for every individual number we are applying it. So hash include stdio.h followed by int main. Within this I am initializing some variables. N is to get the range num followed by reminder sum equal to 0. Next for I is for iterations. Printf, enter the range or n value till which we require the number of Armstrong numbers. Scanf %d address of n. Here I am taking for loop for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. Within this, first temporary variable I am storing this I value. Num I am also storing with I value. Next sum equal to 0. As for every number we need to change this sum value. Next your logic, the logic behind Armstrong numbers. I am expecting that you are recalling the Armstrong number logic. Please try to recall it. The first instruction is reminder equal to num mod 10. Next sum equal to sum plus reminder into reminder. Next num equal to num divided by 10. So this is how we need to write the logic for Armstrong number. So once the logic is written, here we are checking if temp is double equal to sum, then we need to print the list of Armstrong numbers from 1 to n. So this can be temp, this can be sum, or this can be I. Anything is fine. Only when these two values, that is LHS equal to RHS, only then we are going to execute this printf statement. The last. Now let us execute this code and check. So temp, there is an error. So what is that error? Temp undeclared. Temp undeclared means first we need to declare it. Only then we are supposed to use them. Again I am running it. Now in the printf message, what we wrote, enter the range or n value. So that is what it is going to display here. And now I am giving 100. So from 1 to 100, how many Armstrong numbers are there? They are going to be displayed. From 1 to 100, only 1 is the Armstrong number. From 1 to 100, only 1 is the Armstrong number. Because if you cube 1, it is 1. Let me execute with another test case. From 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000. What are all the Armstrong numbers? So from 1 to 1000, these are all the Armstrong number list. 1, 153, 370, 371 and 407. Suppose in the interviews, if they are asking you to write the logic from 1 to n, this is how you need to write it. Thank you.